To start with, we will introduce TraqueX platform and have an overview about the application. TraqueX is an integrated enterprise platform designed to manage HRMS, ticketing, order, collection, asset, and payroll operations through a single system. The platform supports web portal and mobile app access with strict role-based and application right-based control. You will be receiving your credentials over your registered email address. Head admin would have the full configuration and visibility of web. Admin would be having operational access with approvals, that is on web application as well as mobile application. Web user will have limited operational and self actions on the web itself. User will be having self-service access on mobile application with limited HRMS web application rights. The head admin is the highest authority in TraqueX with complete control over system configuration, organizational structure, HRMS governance, and reporting. We'll be starting with system settings where you can set up the general settings like missing punch approval, dynamic ticket name, mandate POD and signatures, dynamic brand setup for the order creations, and enable attendance reminder. Enable attendance reminder and missing punch approval are for HRMS rights. Once the configuration is done from system settings page, you may now create new employees by going on setup, employee list, clicking on add button. You will be able to see the details form where you have to enter all the details of the employee. Then select the role and application rights based on the provided setup. TraqueX uses role plus application rights model. Roles define the user type, which application right define which module and screens are accessible. Like if you provide the HRMS role, then the attendance screen, let me show you that. Then the attendance screen, dashboard screen, expense screen, and helpdesk module and my assets are available on their login. If you are going to provide the ticket module, then ticket management, this particular screen on which you can create the tickets and maintain the history of the tickets that are being done by the particular user or users under them and track them live. Then if you are selecting the application right as order creation and tracking screen will be available. That is this one, order list. And from the mobile applications, they will able to be creating a new order from their end. Then there is collection. If you are providing the collection application right, then this collection list screen will be available. To the web user, it will be available for approvals, and for the users, they will be having in mobile applications where they can upload the collections data that they are doing at their end for the approval of the admin. Then if you are selecting this asset, then this setup asset module is available to them to see all the assets that are defined under their organization and their categories and along with assigning to particular users. If they are assigned, then the assigned employee name will be available over here. If that is not assigned, then it will be marked as N. Now, talking about the role-wise access, head admin will have all the screens available to them and they can have full access to configure or see the things under each of the module on the web application itself. Then there is admin role for which head admin can define multiple admins who will be acting as reporting managers as well. they will be having operational access of few of the modules with approvals on web application and mobile application, like they will be receiving the leaves, missing punch, on duty, regularizations, request of the employees under them. They can see the attendance of all the people under them. They can see the expense report of any employee under them with the approval or rejection rights. They can also see the collection list as well as the order list marked by the employees under them. Then there is role for web user. If you are providing an employee as a role web user, then they will have limited operational and self actions on the web applications only. So if that web application is provided, then they will be seeing the request of the employees under them as well. The quantity of the employees will be limited, but they can approve or reject the applications. Similar way, expense and collections and tickets as well. All the tickets, if created by the employees under them, can be visible here. And they can also create the tickets for users and assign to the employees if required. Then comes the user, which will be having self-service access only on mobile applications with limited HRMS web application. So if any user is created, then they will be only having the HRMS rights on the web application. Otherwise, on the mobile application, they can have multiple screens available based on the application rights available. On the web application, they will be seeing the dashboard where they can mark their attendances. They can see their leave counts and see their previous attendance as well. Then apply for any of the leave or missing punch or on duty or regularization. They can submit their expenses as well from here itself and can apply for any help desk ticket or support ticket from here also. If they are facing any issue with any department, they can mark the subject and select the department, and that particular department person will be notified accordingly. They can see their own assets that are assigned to them and the payslips if they already generated in the system.